Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kenny Debbie. So in today's video, I'm back with another amazing video. So let's go straight to the. You can see that the video is about cornrow. So get your materials ready. I want to thank my subscriber. We are growing. If you are a returning subscriber, you are the boss. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. I hope when you watch this video to the end, you also join the family. So let's go straight to the video. Okay guys, so this is the frontal. I've ventilated small out of it. You can see how it's looking like. I make a full video of how I make this frontal. I'll put it in the description box so that you guys can check it out. So this is the attachment I use for my ventilating. And guys, the method I use to ventilate, if you check the other video, the full video of how I make those frontal, I ventilate on one row, skip one row, ventilate on one line, skip one line. So this is the method I make use of for the ventilation and everything. So guys, if you feel like you don't know how to ventilate, you can put it down in the comment section, or you feel like you need me to make video on this, you can put it down in the comment section. So guys, we are done with it. You can see how it's looking like after I've ventilated. So this is 13 by 4 closure. You can see how it's looking like. So this is the front I'm going to be using for this braided wig. And guys, if you are enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up.
Alright guys, we are with the attachment. So this is the attachment I'm using for this braided wig, and it is expression super braid color 1, and I'm making use of scissors, the brush for combing the extension, and I'll be cutting the expression right now, the attachment right now. You can see how I'm cutting it. Definitely you should know how to cut this. Just remove it out of the pack. So after removing it, you'll find out that it's 2 pack that is there. So I'll cut 1 into 4. You can see I'm making use of black color, that's color 1. Then for you to cut into 4, you first cut into 2 equal parts, then you cut into another, you fold it into 2 again to make it 4 into 4 places. So this is how you make your into 4. Then after cutting, what next? We have to remove the attachment. We have to remove it so that the thing will be more longer and it will give us pencil mouth while braiding. So after removing, this is how you remove. I'm done with removing the attachment. Then I'll be combing it out with my brush. You can see how I'm combing it. You comb it gently to avoid wastage. So I'm combing it gently. Then after combing it, this is how it's looking like. After combing, you can see how it's looking so silky. You can apply oil or cream.
So guys, this is the frontal. So I'll be cutting it into 2 equal parts right now. So when you get here, you make sure you comb it very well. You comb it very well after parting it into 2 equal parts. So I'll be using my rubber band to pack the both sides into 2. So after packing, you're gonna section 1 part. You can see I'm already cutting it down, so I'll know how many braid I'm going to do. So this is what I do for this part. You can see I'm sectioning it. Don't let it to be too big because of the space at the back. So this is how I part the braid, the all back cornrow. And so after sectioning it, this is how it's looking like after sectioning it. So I'll be following the pattern while doing the Ghana weaving. So this is I've already do one. I missed the clip of the one, so I'll be showing you how I crochet the back part. You can see me holding my crochet pin. So this is my crochet pin. So I'll be using it to pass the attachment into the net. So guys, one advice I want to give you guys here is that because I make use of a dome cap, you know a dome cap, it has dome cap or mesh, I'll advise you to use the mesh one, or use the one that is net type. This one is kind of giving me problem while putting the attachment. I have to fast forward it. If I should show you the normal video of everything, you see that it's giving me a lot of problem. So that is it. So when you are doing your own, when you are doing it, you make sure you make use of the net one, the mesh one, or the normal wig cap. So guys, this is it. This is how it's looking like after I've crochet everything. So this is how I'll be doing the braiding hair. So guys, you can watch to the end of this video. Anywhere I feel like I need to come in, I'll come in. So guys, if you feel like this, you are learning one or two things about this video, you can give this video a thumbs up, help me to like, help me to subscribe to your baby channel. Thank you guys to get me going. Happy New Year to all of us. Happy New Year. I love you all. I love you. Thanks for always stopping by. Thanks for always. So you can see I'm removing the attachment, so I'm making it look like an invisible party. So if you guys feel like you want me to make video on how I do collect the attachment, you can put it down in the comment section. I'm going to get back to you guys. So thank you, watch to the end. I love you. It's your girl Kenny Debbie once again.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with
So guys, this place I'm trying to use my needle to tack to cover the space in between the ears. So guys, if you watch to this place, you are the boss. So give this video a thumbs up again. No, anything like, anything subscribe is actually free, and you can click the notification bell for more video to be alert if I make more video. So see you. Keep watching, keep watching. Guys, after trimming, I'm done with everything. I'm done with trimming, I'm done with tacking. So this is how it's looking like. So I'll be dipping it into hot water. So I've already boiled the water, and I'll be dipping all the air into the hot water, including the frontal, including everything. I'm going to be dipping it. You can see how I'm dipping it. You don't just put it directly there. So this is how you can see everything is inside the hot water right now. You can see you dip everything inside and leave for just few minutes, and after that you have to bring it out. So you can see, you make sure it touches every part of the air. You can see how it's looking like after putting it in hot water. So guys, we are done. You can see I'm putting the elastic trap in between the net so that it's going to look firm on my head. And guys, mind you, I don't know how to install very well. I'm still learning how to install because of the materials we still haven't get. So I just try my best to just install it just for this video, then later I'll go and install it. So guys, just take it the way I installed this one. So I'll be doing it off camera. Right now for you guys to just see how it's looking like after the whole process. So guys, keep watching. I love you guys. So this is how it's looking like after my own installation. Thank you. You can see it's looking more natural. Thank you for always stopping by. I love you. Bye. See you all in my next video.